Namaskar, hello and a very warm welcome to CIET NCERT's special live phone-in interactive program. I'm Tanvi Khurana and this is our virtual lab series. So every day we come here and give you a topic, and there are certain simulations on Diksha platform, and we try and show you the demonstration of these simulations. There are certain topics to be discussed, and today we are taking up maths class, and this is for all the students studying in class 11th. The topic or the demonstration that we are going to show is demonstration of simulation to show construction of Pascal's triangle for coefficients of a binomial expansion. If you know this topic, if you know Pascal's triangle, and you have any questions, any queries, please reach out to us. Feel free to give us your questions. You can either call us on our number, that is 8800440559, or you can email us on the email ID that is diksha.training@ciet.nic.in. Apart from this, you're watching this particular program on PM eVidya channel number 11 and also on our YouTube channel NCERT Official. In the live chat box, you can write down your questions, your queries and share them with us. So till 10:30, we have a guest with us in our studio and he'll be more than happy to answer all your doubts, all your queries. Firstly, let me please introduce you to our sign language interpreter whom you can see on your screens. We have with us Neetu. Neetu, a very warm welcome to you. So Neetu would be interpreting each and every word that we are going to discuss in this particular studio, and I hope that is going to be really helpful to all of you. So let me please introduce you to our expert for today. We have with us Dr. A.B. Qayoom Ganai. Sir, a very warm welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir is a consultant academic from CIET NCERT New Delhi. So without further ado, let's just begin this conversation, and because this is a virtual lab series, so we would like to understand a little bit more about virtual labs, what exactly are virtual labs, and what are the benefits of virtual labs to all our viewers.
Right. We have been talking about the virtual labs. What are the virtual labs? We can say these are the web-based interactive replica of these physical laboratory environment that can be used to perform activities and experiments remotely from anywhere, anytime. Okay. These are the tools that can be use teachers in their schools using a device. They need not a physical infrastructure like a physical laboratory. They do not need chemicals. They need not need other resources that are exhaustible. So this is a nice platform where they can perform multiple times these experiments and activities.
Okay, great. So because we are going to talk about Pascal's triangle and see its simulation, before we see the demonstration of the simulation, we would like to understand what exactly is Pascal's triangle.
Okay. This Pascal's triangle, actually this is a technique, this is a arrangement, triangular arrangement of numbers that in which we get each number by adding two numbers just above it. We get this particular number. Like you can see on my this screen, I can show you on the paper. Like this is a number 1. For example, it starts with this number 1. And we go on adding these numbers. We write this 1 here, then 1, we start 1 and 1, 2 ones, 1 and 1, 1 will come here, then 1 plus 1 it will become 2, then this one will come here, okay, and we will start exactly from 1. Now we will go to the next row, this one we will write it here, and 1 plus 1, we will add these two numbers, it will 1 plus 2, that is 3, then we will add these two numbers, 2 plus 1, that is again 3, we will write it here, and this one will come here. Then we will go to the next step, we will write this one here, and we will add the two numbers, it is just above this 4, these two numbers, 3 plus 1, that is 4, then we will add these two numbers, 3 plus 3, that is 6, then we will add 3 plus 1, that is 4, and we will write it here, and 1 will come as it is. Okay. Next we will go to the next row. We can see 1 as it is we will write here, then we will add these two numbers, 1 plus 4 that is 5, then 4 plus 6 that is 10, and 6 plus 4 that is again 10, and 4 plus 1 that is 5, and this 1 we will write it as it is, and we will we can go indefinitely extending this triangle. This triangle is indefinite, we can go as long as we can go, and these actually this triangle gives the coefficients that are needed, that are required. Like I can write here a binomial expansion a plus b power n. Actually this is a binomial expansion where we are having two variables a and b and raised power n. We used to remember the formula a plus b whole square from the very early days.
Yes.
A square plus 2ab plus b square. So that we get from this expansion. Actually we put n equal to 2 and we get that. We can put any value to this n and we will get n number of these expansions. Like if n is 0, we will get a plus b whole power 0, that will be equal to 1. If it is 1, that will be a plus b power 1, and we will get like this, a plus b power 0, anything raised power 0 is 1. Okay. Then we will write a plus b power 1, that will be equal to anything raised power 1, that is equal to the same number. So this is equal to a plus b. Again if I can write a plus b power 2, this is equal to, as you know, a square plus 2ab plus b square. We remember it. Likewise we can go a plus b power 3 and so on and so on. We can extend. Later we will discuss how to make it. Okay. Now as you can see, we can put any value to the n. N, what is n? It is a non-negative integer. That means it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, any integral value it can be. Okay, let us go to the this Diksha portal, where we will perform a simulation based on this Pascal's triangle. Okay. And we will show it there how to do it. First of all, you have to write diksha.gov.in in your browser, and you will land into the Diksha portal. Here you can see there are multiple resources, textbooks are there, videos, interactive content, courses are there. Students can browse by the subject as well. All the subjects are here. They can also browse by the grade. They can browse by the state boards also. All the state boards are here: NCERT, CBSE, NIOS, 36 state boards and UT boards. Later then we will come down a little, focus areas of Diksha. These are some focus areas. Here we can see this virtual lab is one of the focus areas of Diksha. We will learn more. We will click on this. We will land into this virtual labs platform, and we will scroll down. About the virtual labs, it is written how it works and how it students and teachers can benefit from these virtual labs. Then we will scroll down a bit. Here is the virtual labs e-content, which is from class 6 to class 12th available in all the subjects, in both Hindi and English. Today we are going to learn about grade 11 mathematics. So you can see there is a Hindi medium as well as English medium content. We will click on English medium, then on mathematics, and we landed into the mathematics lab manual. Here we will get all the activities of this class. In on right side you can see, you can scroll down, you can see all these experiments are here. You can check and you can perform all these activities. On number 15 we have construct a Pascal triangle to write binomial expansion for given positive integral exponents. We will click on this. Here is a PDF, activity PDF. You can see we will scroll down a bit and we will take into full screen. Wait for a while. Let us see this activity to construct a Pascal's triangle and to write binomial expansion of a given positive integral. Positive integral means this n, value of n is a positive integral. Okay. It is written here, this is our objective, this is the material required in a physical laboratory if students want to perform, but here no material is required in virtual lab. This is the good thing. Method of construction is given step by step, everything is given here, students can read it and then they can go to the learning resources. In learning resources they can click on the simulation part. Let us take this to the full screen now. You can submit it here like how you enjoyed this content, understand the concept well and all that. So, you can submit it here. Now, you have to click on this start button, then here is a menu bar you can see on the right, click on this, you will see there is a theory, there is a procedure, animation and there is a viva, a quiz. All these resources are available for the students, they will go by one through these resources. First of all, we will see what is the theory, it is written objective, what is it is written what is the Pascal's triangle. All this whatever knowledge is required before this activity, everything is written here, students need to read it. Then they will come to the procedure part. In procedure it is written how to perform this simulation, everything is written, students can read it and then perform the simulation. Then again animation video is there, they can even play this animation video and see how this activity is performed. They will go through learn about it step by step, it is given step by step how to perform this activity. Then finally, there is a quiz, we will attend it at the last. Let us go to the home page first again and start it here and we will go to the simulation directly now. Here it is written what we are going to learn today, all things okay. Now we are landed into the simulation. This is the first step we have to do. As you can see, we will start from row 0. Pascal's triangle starts with 1, as I have already showed you, it starts with 1. So, row 0 will start with 1. Here it is on the top, you can see 1 is written as a hint and you have to put a value 1 here and submit. If it is correct, it will say it is correct. So, first row is made, you can see here 1 is written. Now, we will make second row, that means 1 will come here and 1 will come here. Here there are two values in row 1. So, first one will be 1 and the second one will be also 1, as it is hint is given, row 1 elements of Pascal triangle are 1 and 1, it is given there. So, I will submit. See, row 2 is formed here, row 1 sorry, this is row 0, this is row 1. Now, again for row 2 elements will be 1, 2 and 1. How it will come? 1 will come here and we will add these two numbers 1 and 1, that will be 2, and this one will come here, like first number will be 1, second will be 1 plus 1, that is 2, and the third number will be 1. I will submit it. The the second row is formed here, you can see this one came here, then this one and this one, these two are added to perform make this 2 and then this one comes here. For row 3 we will again put the values, this is 1, then 1 plus 2, see this 1 plus 2, it is this one, that is 3. So, I will put it here 3, then again 2 plus 1, again it is 3. So, this is 3 and last one is again 1. Okay. So, I will submit again and the third row is formed here. You can see 1, 3, 3 and 1. Next row we will go similarly, that will be 1, 1 plus 3, that is 4. First one is 1, then 1 plus 3 is 4, then 3 plus 3 in between, that is 6. Then again 3 plus 1 that is 4, and the last one will be 1. Submit it again, we got row 4. Okay. Now you can see 4 rows are here and you can observe every number we get by adding the 2 numbers just above it. Like this is 6, we get this 6 by adding these 2 numbers just above it. Likewise, we make this triangle. Now we will here instructions are given which students have to follow. Next instruction is click on the next button. So we will click on the next button. You can see look at the Pascal's triangle row 0 and enter the value in the input box and then click submit button. Yeah, you can see here this is row 0 and what is the value here? It is 1. So the coefficient will be 1. You can see a plus b power row number is 0. So a plus b power 0. So anything raised power 0, that is 1 as we know, but from here we can see this is the value 1. So we will put it here, a plus b power 0 is equal to 1 as it is given here. This one I will submit, see whether it is correct or not. It is correct. Now let us go to the next step. For 1, a plus b power row number. Now a plus b power 1. Earlier we saw for 0, now we will see for 1 what will happen. This is a plus b power 1, that means it will be equal to a, this will be the coefficient multiple of this a and this will be the coefficient of multiple b. So what will come here? This one will come here multiplied to a and this one will come here multiplied to b. So what will be the value from this row 1? We can see 1 and 1 are the coefficients. Coefficient means what is the number that is multiplied to the variable, as you can see here. So
Sir, what would happen if you write wrong numbers here?
Okay, let us see. Let us try for 2.
Okay.
And let us try for 3. Submit, it will say sorry, try again. Okay. As we are given that these are the correct numbers, 1 and 1 are the correct numbers, as we can see from the Pascal's triangle. So from there we will see it is to be 1 and it is to be 1 also. When we submit, it is correct. Let us come to the next one, a plus b power 2. This one we know it most, a plus b power 2. Let us see, go to the row 2, the coefficients are 1, 2 and 1. So first coefficient will come here 1, second coefficient will come here 2 and the third coefficient is 1 again. So we have written coefficients multiple of a square, that is 1, multiple of ab, that is 2, multiple of b square, that is again 1. From this Pascal's triangle we are writing these coefficients and we will submit. It is now a square, 1 into a square means a square, simply we do not say 1 into a square, we say simply a square. Actually there is 1 written with the a square. You can see a square plus 2ab plus b square it has become, and we will submit, it is correct. Go to the next step. You can see a plus b power 3. Now let us try for it, a plus b power 3. We will go to third row. You can see the coefficients are 1, 3, 3 and 1. So 1 will come here and 3 will come here, again 3 will come here and 1 will come here. Now one more thing you have to see here I want to explain. that you can observe one more thing. This A has how many powers? 3 powers. There A has 2 power and B is having 1 power.
Right.
A power 2, B power 1. But the total sum of the powers is again 2 plus 1, that is 3. And here you can see A has 1 power, B has 2 power. So, the sum of these exponents should be again total in 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. And here you can see all the power, this exponent is on B. A has how many powers? 0 powers, and A power 0, that means 1. Actually that is there, but it is invisible. A power 0 is there. Likewise B power 0 is here also. So, we observe here the power is always the this exponent 3 is here, but it is split 2 plus 1, it is split here 2 plus 1, but it in total it is 3. Everywhere it should be 3.
Okay. So, we have last few minutes left.
Okay, so let us go fast.
Sure.
We will submit it here. It is correct. Now we will go to the next step for A plus B power 4. This is 1. You can see 1 4 6 4 1. So I will put the values 1 4 6 4 1. Let us submit. It is correct. Go to the next step.
How many steps are there, sir?
It is complete now.
Okay.
Yes, it is complete now. Test your knowledge. We can test now knowledge. You can see what is the value it should be written here. As we know, it is the value that we have to add these the just
2.
above 2 numbers. That means 1 will come here and this one we will add, this is 2.
2.
Okay. So add more, one more, 1
and 2 3
plus 2, that is 3, 2 plus 1, that is
3.
again 3. Likewise 1 plus 3, that is 4, 3
plus 3
plus 3, that is
6.
6, 3 plus 1,
4.
that is 4. Congratulations, you have done it, you have understood it. Go to the next step. You can write the values here. This is A plus B, this is row second. From row second we can put the values, coefficients actually.
Okay.
It is correct. This is the third one. From third we can get these coefficients from row 3, and you are seeing it. You have done it correctly. You can see for the fourth row as well. In this way it becomes too easy. You can, so this activity is complete. You can restart it here. Now we will go to the quiz part as well. There are some questions you can perform. What is the value at the fourth row? As you can see, fourth row, third column. This is the fourth row, this is the third column. It is 6. So your option B is correct. You will submit it like this.
Okay.
Go to the next. What is the expansion of this? You can see there will be, this is the third one, third row. There are the coefficients 1, 3, 3 and 1. You can check by the coefficients as well.
Okay.
You need not to expand. So this one will be the correct, because there is 1, 3, 3 and 1. This is the correct one. But maybe you may sometimes give a wrong number. Let us see on the next question. Suppose what is the fourth row of the Pascal triangle? Fourth row. What is the fourth row of the Pascal's triangle? Fourth row, this one is 1 4 6 4 1. It is 1 4 6 4 1. Suppose you a student gives a wrong answer. Let us see what it will do. It gives this pop-up that you have done it wrongly, and it gives explanation. The fourth row is actually this one.
Okay. A little bit of hint.
Yes, it gives hint as well. It gives explanation as well how to perform. Likewise, a student can do all these. There are 10 questions and
Okay.
they can perform it.
Okay. Wonderful experiment indeed, and you've explained it so beautifully. I'm sure the students are going to try this simulation at their end. All they need is an internet connection, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. It was a wonderful conversation and a wonderful program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you to all our viewers for being with us. I really hope that you enjoyed this particular demonstration. Go to Diksha platforms and you can perform any simulations on any topic that you like. So for now, we are wrapping up this particular program, but we have a lot of programs scheduled for you for the entire day. So let's have a look at the schedule. The next program lined up for all of you is going to be at 12 o'clock from 12 to 12:30. This is for class 1 students. हिंदी का ये कार्यक्रम है, शीर्षक है चांद का बच्चा. इसे आप देख सकते हैं PM eVidya चैनल नंबर 1 पर. और पूरे दिन में बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम हैं आप सभी के लिए, और 5:30 बजे तक ये कार्यक्रम जारी रहेंगे. इनसे जुड़े कोई भी सवाल अगर आपके पास हैं तो आप हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं और अपने सवाल हम तक पहुंचा भी सकते हैं. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर साइन लैंग्वेज इंटरप्रेटर नीतू. थैंक यू so much for being with us throughout the program and helping all our children. Thank you once again. Have a great day ahead. I am Tanvi Khurana and I'll take a leave of you. Namaskar.